There is the legend that my mom and her sister, and also my little sister Katinka, never had worn a yellow star. I don't know if this is really true. I don't know it. But as soon as they got the letter that they had to go to the Sammelstelle, to the Umschlagplatz, they went into the underground immediately. And the underground in the Netherlands was very good organized. They gave illegal house concerts. And there was a whole organization, the Vrije Kunstenaar. They edited a newspaper monthly, and it was even so that they were able to help the musicians with food carts and things, so that they could make that they were able to survive in the underground.